In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L3215 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match would appear in this kind of window. And once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. Now from here, please wait until everything are set here before we proceed. Once the search bar is showing, please tap for Epson space L3215 and hit the driver, then hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So please proceed to the first result, click on it, and eventually you would see this kind of window. Please scroll down, click on downloads to refresh the page, and wait until you can see the driver that we are looking for. So from here, all you need to do is you need to scroll down and locate with drivers, click on it, and it will show here the printer driver. Click on this download option aligning to it. And if it will ask you to agree on the license agreement, click on accept so that you can eventually start the downloading process. So click on keep so that you can start on this one. So please wait until this would be finished before we continue to the installation. Okay, so once done, all you need to do is you need to click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So from here, please make a right click on this file or application and go with this cat icon. Close the window as well as this one, and here at the desktop, make a right click and go with this paste icon. Once you have pasted it, it would be placed here. Okay, you can double tap it to unzip the file, or you can simply make a right click and go with the WinRAR tool to extract the file. Okay, so just have to navigate with it and click on extract to and wait until it would be extracted here in our windows. Once then, if a new file folder would be created, meaning we have successfully extracted it, then this is the time that we need to start on the installation. So make a right click here at the start icon, go with settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please navigate to the left pane and you can see there a list of the options. Please locate with Bluetooth and devices. And here at the Bluetooth and devices, please navigate with printers and scanners, and you would be able to see a window like this where you can see an option which is add device. So tap on it and wait until you would be proceeded to the manual installation of our printer driver. And once it's here, click on add manually. So the moment you've tapped on it, you would be able to see this one. Go with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Use among of this three USB port as your printer port. Okay. Then click on next. Go with have disk. Click and browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate to the desktop. Double tap to this one. Double tapped. Okay. And from here, double tap once again. It will show you the printer driver. Just select any of this one. Click on open, click on OK, and it would be added here. Click on next, and you can rename that into 3215. So click on next, and it will now start on the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Once done, please allow for printer sharing, but if you don't want to, click the other one on. So go with next. And if you would like it to set it as your default printer, you can check the box, and you can also check if your printer is working properly by clicking on print a test page. Once you're good, click on finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Epson L3215 series in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.